Hacking Lab is a lab that is basically used for offline and online based ethical hacking, computer networks, web penetration testing, and bug bounty practices. The goal of the Hacking Lab is to create an environment where you can become a cybersecurity expert by practicing life securely as anonymous. Why do you need to have a hacking lab? Suppose you think I don't need any hacking lab. You will start hacking without a hacking lab. However, you cannot start hacking without any computer. All of this requires special tools, software, and a variety of operating systems. If you think that you can continue working with your computer without hacking lab, then you need to disable antiviruses and firewall to use most of the tools and software you need to use. As a result, your PC can be a victim of viruses, malware, spyware, ransom at any time, and the data of your collection will be at risk. So, we need to use hacking labs. Hacking labs can be of two types. First, physical lab. Second, virtual lab. Building a physical lab requires a lot of money. The reason you have to use a lot of devices here as well as the network and build a structure which will be very time consuming and cost hog money. On the other hand, you don't have to spend money to create a virtual hacking lab and it saves time. So we will use virtual hacking labs. Now you can say, oh, I understand, but here we can use dual mode operating system instead of hacking lab. Yes, you can, but you will not get the same benefits as the hacking lab. You will not have the opportunity to use multiple operating systems at once. The computer needs to be restarted every time there is an operating change. If there is a mistake in the setup, all data on your C drive will be deleted, which is extremely dangerous and annoying. So we will use hacking labs. What is it to create a virtual hacking lab? A good quality computer, a virtualization software, and operating system. Good quality computer. To create a virtual hacking lab, at least 100 GB of disk must be left empty. It depends on how many operating systems you want to use. If you want to use more operating system, then you have to empty more disk space. 64-bit processor, and your computer must have a minimum of 8 GB RAM to work well. Virtualization software. Then you need a virtualization software. It allows you to run 2 or more operating systems using just one PC. Virtualization software, also called a hypervisor, is what allows one computer or server to host multiple operating systems. You can use any virtualization software, but there are 3 software that is for the most popular virtualization software. Their names are Oracle VirtualBox, VMware, and Microsoft Hyper. I recommend you to use Oracle VirtualBox because it's completely free. Okay. Click the download button to download. Select the operating system you are using, then it will download automatically. Okay. Operating system. Then you need to download the operating system you want to use. Here we will use a Linux distribution operating system such as Kali Linux, Parrot OS, Ubuntu. In this course, I will use Parrot OS. Parrot OS is a Linux distribution based on Debian with a focus on security, privacy, and development. It is founded by Lorenzo Falitra. Here we can also use Windows servers, and Android operating systems.